give y'all a little taste test, and I'm gonna be brutally honest with you guys how it tastes. You know what I'm saying? Actually, cameraman, do you want to do another taste? What's up, you guys? It's your girl May, and I'm coming at you with a new type of video. Today, I'm pretty sure y'all can tell from my get up, you know, I'm getting a little something, you know what I'm saying? Bow. So I've been embarking on a fitness journey, and I would like to take you guys with me as to the food that I eat, the exercises that I do, and just my struggles going through it. I am going to be prepping my dinner for the next couple of days, and we are going to be making turkey chili. Now, you know, if you don't like ground turkey, I'm sorry, but we got our meal prep things. I already wrote like which one is which, you know. So anyways, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So you're gonna take your olive oil, pour enough to like saute the peppers, nice and chopped. Pour the peppers up in there. Take some minced garlic, put it up in there. Now listen, don't come for me. I didn't feel like chopping an onion. We got onion powder. It's just for the taste anyways. That's really all you need. And then you're just gonna saute that, and we'll be back once they're done. So the saute should only take 5 to 7 minutes, because you know, you just want them to get a little, not as tough as they were. And just make sure you stir it so it doesn't burn. Now that, it's burning a little bit, so you're just gonna go ahead and pop the turkey up in there, and you're gonna want to make sure that it's not pink anymore. I'll show you when it's done. While the turkey is cooking, and it's gonna have a little brownness to it, as you can see, also because the saute was, you know, it started to get a little brown. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no Chef Ramsay up in this video, but so you're gonna take your tomatoes and, you know, all of your canned goods, and you're gonna want to drain the juice out of them, because you don't want your chili to be too you know, watery. You feel me? So that's all I'm gonna do while this is cooking, and we'll be back. See, the turkey is brown. See that? And you see that's a lot of juice. We don't need all that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be very careful. You're gonna drain it as much as possible. Okay, listen here, turkey. And guys, you can do this with beef, but I don't like beef, so I'm gonna get turkey. So I got as much juice as I can out of here. So now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your cumin. Take some cumin. Come on now. Doesn't want to work today. There you go. Oregano. Chili powder to make this actually taste like chili. and a dash of salt. You really don't need salt. That's it. And you're gonna stir it together while it's still, you know, while there's still no juice up in here. Cameraman, would you like to do a taste test? Okay. What are we tasting like?
It's good.
It's good?
It's good. Could use a little bit more seasoning, but it's good.
Need more chili seasoning?
Yeah, that's what I think it is.
Now that your turkey is all seasoned and everything, you're gonna just pour it up in there. Probably need a bigger pot. What you think? Because I still got beans. For people who like to measure, you're gonna put 1.5 cups of chicken broth in here. But I don't measure. And you just stir it. We'll be back. This is all put together. So, definitely, okay, anybody that's on my channel, if y'all from the South, y'all know we cook to taste. So, what y'all saw, I put a lot more seasoning than what you saw at first. So I'm gonna give y'all a little taste test, and I'm gonna be brutally honest with you guys how it tastes. You know what I'm saying? Actually, cameraman, do you want to do another taste? All right, here you go.
Hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh, wow, it's so good. Oh.
It's too salty. No? Okay.
I have no issues with this. This is a dandy meal.
You heard it here first from the cameraman himself. Yeah, I just let this sit for a couple minutes so that all the juice, all the sauces can get put together. You know, you can put cheese in it. You can put, avocados, but trying to be healthy and trying to have too much cheese. But maybe like one day out of the week I'll put cheese on it. So your meal is done pretty much. And this is actually for lunch. I know I said dinner earlier, but dinner is a whole nother shebang. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see what I eat on the daily for breakfast. Trying to get these gains, trying to get this booty, you feel me? Trying to get this booty, these legs right. So I'm welcome to help you guys out. Anyways, make sure to follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. You know what I'm saying? I'll be active on all of those. Maybe not TikTok, but it's okay. And yeah, just let me know in the comments what y'all want, and I got you. So with that being said, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, babes. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Now turn up.